I'm going to show how to use the repertory search in Hrep. You can see there are two repertories, Kent plus additions and Kent filtered. Kent plus additions has additional rubrics and drugs which are not present in Kent's original repertory. It is not comparable to modern day repertories like complete repertory or Mac repertory, which have thousands and thousands of rubrics. We have tried to add a decent number of rubrics to Kent which are confirmed, as well as remedies which are well proved, like carcinosin, which was not in Kent. Kent filtered has the same as Kent plus additions, but the big drugs like sulfur, phosphorus, etc. have all been removed so that you can focus on the small drugs. Let us have a look at this. So here I'm going to enter a word, fear. Okay, let's just look at this. And you have in alphabetical order a lot of rubrics. Okay, now you can see, for example, mind, anxiety, fear with, and you have aconite, alumina, ammonium mure, etc. Now I'm going to look at this in Kent's repertory filtered. So I'm just going to type that so that it's easier to see. Fear, anxiety with, you see that those aconite, etc. have been removed. It's only the smaller drugs. So sometimes you might be searching in Kent filtered by mistake, thinking you're searching in that, and you will wonder why you don't see phosphorus, etc. So be sure that you're using the right repertory to search. Use the Kent filtered only if you want to see small drugs. Now I want to show you a feature which we've added, frequently used rubrics. So when you search like this, you find mind, darkness, aggravates. Now if I remove that FRQ and I search, you have an alphabetical thing, bladder, paralysis, weakness, so that he fears, fear is there in the word, bladder, urination, thirst, fear with, etc. But when I use this FRQ, it shows rubrics which we often use with fear, fear of dark, fear of death, fear of dogs, fear of falling, etc. So do remember to use this FRQ. This is especially useful when you're doing a search in the Materia Medica. Okay, now when we have...
Time is 9:30 a.m.
There are two ways of looking at the output. One is alphabetical and repertory format. So we have already seen the alphabetical. So now we look at it in relevance, as a relevance search. So those which have a lot of keynotes will come up on the top. So those rubrics which have keynotes for drugs. So for example, fear of death, aconite, arsenic, digitalis. And if you look at it alphabetically, but in the repertory, not repertory, but Materia Medica format, so you will find fear, drugs with the rubric fear, and all their rubrics for fear, like a Materia Medica. Here it is. So you can see Abel Moscus, fear of insects, fear of being alone at night, fear of snakes. Aconite. So this is only the frequent FRQ. If I remove that, I'll see this is going to be a huge search, and you will see for aconite there are a lot of remedies out here. So a lot of rubrics, sorry. So that's the way it works. So this is the repertory search. Do remember to use FRQ for you can use it with any word. So you say night FRQ and you search, and it will have, okay, we are still in the Materia Medica output, repertory output. You will see rubrics which have this. So like this. To clear anything, you just have to press the reset button and all the words will be cleared. It remembers the last state. So this is important to know. So that is repertory search.